This is tutorial 2-4, picking up right where 2-3 left off. In this tutorial, we're going to be working on attribute scales. Basically, we're going to change these numbers over here into looking to something better. Now, we're going to want to start with the map that we left off with in 2-3, but we're going to want to turn off all layers except for population by state, and we want it to show what the classes. What we're going to do is we're going to go into properties, and most of the work we're going to be doing is in symbology. So the first thing they want us to do is change classes to 6, and as you can see, that just added another color. Then we're going to go into classify, and in here you can also change the classes. They want us to change the method though from natural breaks to manual. What that means is we're going to change these numbers into numbers that we like. And these gray columns here stand for a state, and it shows you what range the states are in. As you can see, there's not many on this end. Most of them are over here. So for the 5th column, they want us to type in 32 million. Then going up, 16 million, 8 million, 4 million, and then 2 million. And beware when doing manual, this column over here automatically orders based on a numerical value. So if you put 10 million where the 4 million is, it will shift it to be in numerical order. And as you can see, I have 4 million lighted up. Over here, that line turns red to show you where it is in the gray mass. With that done, we're going to hit OK. And as you can see now, over here, our labels have changed. We're going to left click on label, and that allows us to format labels. They want us to show the thousands separators. Click OK. As you can see, it just put commas in. And they also want us to make it a little bit neater in here. They want us to get rid of the odd number, which is the non-rounded off number. So they want it to say 2 million or less. And you can go down and get rid of this and put or greater. You can come up with your own words for this. You can do and less or more or and more, whatever. It's up to you. Now with that done, we're going to click OK. And as you can see, the map's changed a little bit. It's more noticeable. It'll be more noticeable in the next part. What they have is a your turn, where they want you to do the same thing you just did, but with census tracts and county. You will need to go and do that for population county and for census tracts. Now, I'm not going to do that. I already went ahead and did it. So I'm going to turn that off, and we're going to switch over to population by county. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go into the properties table. As you can see, this is what it should look like after you go in and adjust your numbers to what the book wanted. So we're going to go into the properties table. Sorry, you got to extend the tree and go into the U.S. counties property. And we're going to be working in the symbology. And what they want us to do is click on the ramp color and choose the last one. Now if you click OK, a lot of the ones look similar. So what they want us to do is change the colors. So we're going to right click on the color ramp, and we're going to go to properties. And in the first color, we are going to choose Arctic white. And in the second one, dark navy is what they want, and OK. And then we're going to just click OK again. And as you can see, it's changed. There is a your turn where they want you to do this for the Utah and Nevada tracks, which you should do because this tutorial shows you what you'll be doing in a lot of assignments from now on. This is a very common thing that we'll be doing throughout the rest of the class and if you take the next one.